Hi, this is your boy Jeremy. Today, I'll be sharing some tips, tutorials, and what you need to know before purchasing the right drum equipment for you. We have many options, and what we have here is drum stacker. If you need to lift your drums high and to pour chemicals out of your drum, this is suitable. We have it in a manual form and electric form. In electric form, we also have it in different configurations. You want to have motorized lifting and pouring, or even motorized lifting, pouring, and a built-in weighing scale. With a weighing scale, you are able to know how much amount of chemicals you are pouring out of your drum. For the manual model, you will have to manually pump it up to your desired height and turn the wheel to pour the chemical out of your drum. If you are on a budget, or if you are only lifting the drum once or twice a day, the manual one will be sufficient. Models here, we call it drum transporter. They are assisted by a hydraulic pump to ease your workload. Don't be confused by all these models here. Mainly, take note on the legs. We have it in U leg or V leg. With a V leg, you are able to access the corner of a pallet, taking down drums from the pallet or onto the pallet. So pallet to ground, ground to pallet. For the U leg models, they are better for ground to ground drum transportation. With the U leg, it is actually easier to maneuver when you're pushing around like a trolley. With a V leg, it is actually more wobbly when you're pushing around. But it is great if you're taking things up and down of pallet. To be competitive in the market, we have brought in a few models. These models look skinnier. They are actually lighter duty. This big boy here, they are made more robust. Easily 50 kgs, sturdier than these models right here. If you're looking for something heavy duty, this will last you a very long time. If you're looking for something more economical, these are the models for you. They do not have any hydraulic pump and require human strength to operate the drum. For forklift attachments, we have a few models, but unfortunately I'm not able to show you all of them, so I'll demonstrate this model right here for you. With this, you are able to lift your drums up and pour the chemical out by using a forklift. If you already have a forklift and do not wish to purchase an individual drum equipment, contact us to find out more about forklift attachments for your drums.